Hello everyone, and today's Leetcode problem is 441, and the problem is arranging coins. So, let us read the question. So, it's an easy question, so let us read the question. So, we have n coins, and we need to build a staircase with these coins, and the staircase consists of k rows where ith row has exactly I coins. The last rows of the staircase may be incomplete, so the given integer n, we need to return the complete rows of the staircase you will build. So let us see the example. So here the input is n, so we have in total n coins, that is we have 5 coins in this question, and we need to build a staircase with this, and the staircase pattern will be in this manner. So the top of the staircase will have 1 coin, and then the next step will have 2 coins, and again the next step will have 3 coins. So here we have 5 coins, so our staircase will start with the first coin, and then we will be left with n minus I coin, that is 5 minus 1 coin, that is 4 coins. So after building the first staircase we will be left with 4 coins. So the second staircase will consist of 2 coins. So now we are left with 4 coins, and the second staircase will have 2 coins. So the second staircase will take 2 coins. So now we are left with only 2 coins. 4 minus 2, 2. So now we are left with 2 coins. But the third staircase should have 3 coins. But now, right now we are only left with 2 coins. So in this case, uh, we don't have one extra coin to fulfill this, so we have built only 2 staircase properly, so we will return 2. Let us see another example. Here n is equal to 8, we have n coins, that is 8 coins, and here 1 1 2 3 coins, 4 5 6 coins, 7 8 coins, but the fourth row is incomplete, so we will return 3. That is, we have built proper 3 staircase, so we will return 3. So here what brute force approach of this problem will be that maybe we can create a for loop, and then we can subtract n minus I. Will start I from 1, and then we will keep on subtracting n, we will keep on subtracting I from n, and we will keep on updating n with that, and we will increase the count, and if n becomes negative we will break this statement, and then we will return the count. So it's a very easy problem, so let us code this. So at first we will create int count, and we will put it as 0, and then we will create a for loop. Int I is equal to 1, which will start from I is equal to 1, and I should be less than equal to 1, and I plus plus, and we can create a variable int a, and we will store the value of n minus I in this variable. Okay, and then we will update the value of n, and we will increase the count. So now the count will contain our answer. So if n become negative, we will break the statement. That means we will come out of the loop, and we will simply return our count. Yeah, so yes, that is accepting these 2 test cases. Let us submit this. Okay, so it is accepted. So thank you guys. If you get to learn anything from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you.